And so earlier today, our guest in the PSA Forum was a fun run organizer. So, what is your comment regarding the current resurgence of so-called running boom happening right now? And what is Patapa's plans in relation to this ongoing, let's say, running boom? We have fun runs and marathons almost every week.
Yes, it's a good, no? A lot of people are into running. A lot of, not just by competing, but by lifestyle, no? It's a good way of, like, being healthy and being sport at the same time. So it's a good way to promote the sport. It's a good way of a lot of, like, people are, trying to run, be an active runner, and just fun and enjoying running. So, yun po, no?
Sir Jan, just like to ask your comment, no? Kasi merong isang technical officials na nagsabi na we fall short doon sa mga atleta natin na mag-qualify sa Olympics because we don't have enough national open na pwedeng makagain sila ng Olympic qualifying points. Si Lorraine almost got off doon sa 400-meter hurdles kasi yung China, nag-held sila ng dalawang tournament bago mag-deadline. Sa atin ba, sa Patapa, do we plan more on this or gaano kahirap i-organize tapos i-accredit sa World Athletics yung gantong qualifying?
Well, in every competition, in every country, you only have one championships. Now, it's category B, so it's considered a silver level. So for example, for the Philippine Championship, there's a placing points, there's a performance points. A bit technical, no? But just for everyone's reference. So, for Philippine Championships, the only person that can get the placing points would be the Filipinos, or Philippine athletes. But other countries can get performance points. Now, the placing points is a bit like high also. In the case of silver or B, it's 100, 80, 70. There's a competition. 100 for first, plus 100 for first, plus 80 for second, plus 70 for third, plus 60 for fourth. So there's a competition already. Plus the performance points nila, which is kung ano man yung tinakbo nila, ano man yung pinato nila, ano man yung tinaro nila. So in every championship, we have a performance point. So there's a points also, but nawala yung placing points. Now, with all the World Continental Tour, there's a placing point. So there's a challenger, there's a bronze, there's a silver, there's a gold, and there's a GL. There's a lot of technical aspects. So we've been studying it also that we can get more points, more good competitions. But it's a bit hard also because, for example, for gold, these are the top ranked athletes. No, hindi ka basta-basta makakapasok lang. Kahit sabihin mo ng gold 2, pasok natin yung local athlete natin dito. No, you need to have like an invitation, you need to have, to be in the rank. So, yun din yung isang challenge din sa atin. In the case of course, Johnny, we've tried him sending in some big meets, but it's rejected because it's not in that certain top 10, So, there's but we don't need to cry about it. We need to think of like an option, how we will go from there. If we put it also in the end of June, maybe it's a good option also because they're more big. But the thing is, reason why it's there because so they can see how they will check. Kasi nga, unlike our athletes, they've been going in this competition. Imagine if they're gonna go here. So there's jet lag, a lot of stuff also that we have to consider it.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I answered your question po.
Okay. Okay, so before your parting shots, one very, very short comment or question from Clyde Mariano.
I am not jumping the gun ahead of the decision of Capistrano. This is only suggestion. I think it's high time for Mr. Capistrano to get Filipino parents others whose skills and talents are world class, not just Southeast Asian Games. Whose talents are world class, not just Southeast Asian Games. I observed all the Filipino games commissioned by the past administration. Their talents are Southeast Asian, like for example, Erickson Gray. He won 6 consecutive gold in Sabinan. I covered him 3 times in the Asian Game. Wala sa pinanalo.
And yet, he was ranked in number 40 just before the last week of competition for the Paris Games, James. Okay, so siguro parting shots na lang, Jasper, for all the Filipinos who will be waiting for the participation or the competition of our 3 Olympians dito nga po sa Paris Games.
Yes, una-una po, maraming salamat for inviting me and to talk to you guys also. I'm encouraging everyone to support and pray for our national athletes, Chad Tolentino, Lauren Hoffman, EJ Obena, to hopefully be safe and give magkaroon sila ng mas magandang results in their performance. That's our goal po. Support everyone and of course our other Olympians din po. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Patapa Secretary General Jasper Benhueco. We are with you, Paris Olympics, together with our athletes lalaban doon sa Philippine team. Maraming salamat po. Until next time here, ng PSA Sports.